Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Specialista with us in the shop. And I came in because the grinder was actually not wanting to rotate or spin or grind coffee. When you did activate it, it was either making a loud noise or it was just having an electrical hum. Pretty much what had happened is from right behind where the tamper is at and the chute going all the way up to the grinder chamber here, it was completely clogged with coffee all the way to the brim. To a point where there was some coffee actually flowing out into under the lid. And so what I had to do was take the lid apart so you can access the entirety of the grinder, take all of this out, scrape all the coffee out, push all the coffee down, clean out all the walls to make sure that there's no built up coffee anymore. After that the grinder is spinning and grinding as normal. And besides that, I did deep clean the pressurized basket because it was clogged. Usually how you want to deep clean it, because this machine can't back flush. There's no solenoid or rerouting for pressure. So what you would do is you would put some sort of Kafiza tablet in here. You would put it in there, put it in the group head, brew shot, and you're pretty much just wanting to run all of the detergent through that pressurized basket. There's going to be pressure due to no, solenoid to back flush. There is going to be pressure stuck inside of your machine for a little bit, so be careful. That could really hurt if you were to take it out too early and hot water starts splashing around. So just be careful with that. But yeah, now we're ready to test the machine out. I'm gonna just grab some water real quick and then we'll brew shot. Alrighty, now that we're here, got the right amount of water, we're going to start grinding. As you can hear, the grinder is turned on. I have it on a double shot setting. Grind setting's about 3.5-ish on the dial up there. I'm going to tamp about 2 to 3 times. As you can see, nice ground coffee. Put it inside of here, and we're going to start to brew the shot. Now the first seconds of the pump being on is pre-infusion, so it turns on the pump for a few seconds, lets everything settle, and then it starts pushing towards the end. And you're really looking for that optimal zone. You can either go finer on the coffee to kind of get it more closer to the middle, or you can add more coffee to your portafilter. You usually don't want to add too much grounds to your basket because it might be hard to actually put into the group head. And just remember, when this machine is done brewing, there is still pressure inside of this group head, so you want to wait a few seconds to let it drip out. But yeah, that's a really beautiful shot there. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.